Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a PDF on iPhone. So first thing is that we will open the photos and you will be just selected of any of photos, or you will just selected the multiples of photo, and after selecting you will just tab on it. The left bottom corner option is the share icon, and just scroll down and just finding save to files simply as well, and any of you will just give them name and just tab on the save. And I will already saved it, and I will be just move in my files on my iOS device. Simply just tap on it to open, and here you will see the second option which I just recently saved, and simply just tap on it, hold it, and in the second last option is the quick actions with the gear icon. I will just tap on it, and the fourth option is create PDF. I will just tap on it as well. So in this way you will just have to make a PDF on iPhone as well. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.